Hi guys, welcome to Reggie's YouTube channel, and today I have a really gist for you guys. My people, things are happening in this world, though. Things are happening every day of our life. You know, how many of you remember Rita, Dominic, the Nigerian actress who got married recently? You know, I made a video about her wedding, her traditional marriage. You know, please, if you know you've not watched that video, please try and make time, go and watch that video and see how beautiful, how nice the marriage was. You know, there was no issue, there was no difficulty, everything went well. You know, people were happy with her, celebrities came, you know, people were happy, they celebrated with her. Even me, I was also happy with her because it's a nice thing, you know, she had decided to settle down. It's a beautiful thing for her. You know, everybody wants to get married to the right person. You know, we love seeing ourselves happy, but some people don't want to see you happy. They don't want to see you smile. A lady has come out, you know, to accuse Rita Dominic of snatching her man away from her. And she's asking Rita Dominic to leave her man for her. I don't want to say much on this. I want you guys to watch this video, and please, whatsoever you think, drop it in the comment section below and I will reply you immediately.
Rita, I dey do wetin I dey preach. If you see me on top prick, you go wrong. Jealousy go want kill you. You go hide your husband if you see me for streets. Rita, many people don't see my sex tape. They see my yash on top prick. I they go up and down. Man, they cry for help for my hand if I handle man bola. Rita, na the grace be that. Stay away from my yash, they go up and down. Rita, I they do wetin I dey preach.
Guys, did you listen to what that woman said in the video you just watched? You listen to what she said? You just want to use your problem to spoil another person's happiness. You want to use your problem to scatter another person's joy, another person's marriage. Why? Who does that? Where were you before Rita Dominic got married to that man? Where were you? Where were you before Rita Dominic and Fidelis got married? Where were you? Why didn't you speak up on time? Why are you speaking now they've gotten married? Why are you speaking now? Why do you want to destroy the family? Why do you want to destroy the happiness? Why can't you allow them to be? How can you use your problem, your depression to destroy somebody's happiness? Why? Who does that? Guys, please, if you want update on this issue, please drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video and have a nice day until I come your way next time. Bye.